this is our maths activity game for today. Is one that you should all know. Maybe you have snakes and ladders games at home. I will attach this to the notes today, and if you have got a printer you can print them out, or if not you can just do what I've done. You've got 5 rows. There are 4 or 5 columns, 4 rows. You've got 2 ladders, 2 snakes, and some little instructions. Move backwards a space, move forwards 1 space, move forwards 1 space, move backwards 1 space. So if your child hasn't played this game before, just explain to them that you have to take it, roll the dice, and then you move the number of spaces the dice lands on. So say for example, if your dice lands on a number with no instruction, you just stay there. If you land on a space with a ladder, you go up the ladder, and they're very good spaces to get to. But if you land on a snake's head, you have to slide all the way back down to the start. So you don't want to land on number 11, or you'll end up back at the very start again. I have 2 bottle tops just as my counters. I've lost my dice, so I'm just using, it's just an app I found on the App Store. It's a dice roller. So I'm just going to 3. Oh, I should have said that the math skills we're practicing. Counting is practiced in this game. Addition is practiced. Position, like where are you, where would you like to go next, and direction, we've got forwards and backwards. Now, expect your children to use this language. They really can use it. So first one, 3, so I'll go first. So this is good because next year they'll be doing adding on a number line, so they need to be able to know how to move their counter. So it's 1, 2, 3. Oh, move forwards 1 space. So if I go forwards a space, look what I've landed on, the ladder. And what do I do now? Oh, I go the whole way up to 7. So that's a very good roll. So let's roll the dice again. 1. So 1 is not good. Okay, so then you could say to your child, so say if they were here, you'll say, what number would you like to roll? And if you roll 1 there, you get to the end and say, why would you like to roll 1? Because if I roll 1 and I get to this number, I can go up the ladder and then I'm finished. So say if they landed on number 14, say to them, oh, tell me what happened when you landed on 14. So, oh, I landed on 14 and there's a snake's head, which means I have to go all the way down the snake, back down to number 6. So you can say, what number do you not want to roll? Oh, I don't want to roll 1 more, because if I get 1 more here, I'll have to go down the snake. So I'd like to roll 2 so I could skip or avoid that. And you could say, so what number would you like to roll? What number would you not like to roll? Tell me why. And tell me what happened when you landed on 14. There are different variations on this game. You could start at 20, and the winner could be the one who gets back to number 1 first. So I'll just do 1 more. So 1 more dice. I think your children might like this dice. So you should know, look at this. It's a 5 pattern, so 5. So I've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, what happened now? I have to go down the snake, down, back to the start again. Your children might want help when they get here knowing where to go. And when they get here knowing when they're going, remind them that they have this game in their yard at school that maybe they haven't played with. So enjoy snakes and ladders and get as much maths as you can out of the game.